Hey everyone, ever tapped Pay Now and wondered how on earth your money gets transferred so quickly and securely? Today, we're diving into the world of payment gateways, the invisible tech that powers almost every online transaction you've ever made. So, what exactly is a payment gateway? Well, imagine you're buying something online. The second you enter your payment details, whether it's a credit card, debit card, UP, or net banking, the payment gateway kicks into action. It grabs your info, encrypts it to keep it safe, and sends it on a secure journey to your bank for approval. It's like a digital traffic controller, guiding the payment between your account and the seller's account, while checking all the safety rules along the way. It asks your bank, is this transaction legit? Is there enough balance? And if everything checks out, your payment is approved. The money is then sent to the merchant smooth, fast, and secure. And the best part? This all happens in just a few seconds. You click, you pay, it's done. All thanks to the quiet superhero in the background, the payment gateway. So the next time you make a payment online, remember it's not just tech. It's smart, secure, real-time processing that keeps everything running smoothly. And that's it, you are done.